In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in ManyChat. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your audience can tap through to any page you want right inside your automated conversations. First, open ManyChat in your browser and sign in to your workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, head straight to the automation area. In the left-hand navigation, select Automation, then choose My Automation. This is where all your flows and automated conversations live, and it's the best place to create a clean, focused setup for your messages. Next, create a new automation. You can start from scratch so we keep the process simple and easy to follow. Give it a name that clearly describes its purpose so you can find it later. A good, clear name helps you stay organized as your automations grow. When the blank canvas opens, you'll see a message block. Click that message block to open the editor. This is where you write the content your subscribers will see. Think of it like composing a short, helpful note to guide people toward your link. Now type or paste your link directly into the message text. Use the full URL, including HTTPS, so it's recognized as a proper clickable link across supported channels. Place the link naturally within a sentence to set expectations, for example, after a short description of what they'll get when they tap it. Clear context sets trust and improves click-throughs. Keep the link concise and easy to understand. If you're using tracking parameters, that's fine. Just make sure the destination is accurate and secure. Avoid overly long, messy URLs in the middle of a paragraph. Placing the link at the end of a short line can make it more noticeable and easier to tap on mobile. Write the surrounding copy in a friendly, action-oriented tone. A brief lead-in that explains the benefit of clicking helps people decide quickly. If your message includes multiple sentences, give the link a little breathing room so it doesn't get lost in the text. ManyChat will auto-save your changes as you edit, so you don't need to worry about losing your work. Once your link is in place and your message reads smoothly, you're set. Your automation now contains a message that includes a direct, clickable link your audience can use. That's it. You opened ManyChat, navigated to Automation and My Automation, created a new automation, clicked a message block, and typed or pasted your link directly. Follow these steps whenever you need to add a clean, trustworthy link to any message in your automation.